Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hola. Hola. Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you know who I am, why am I so like smiley mixed smilester? Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, girl. If you don't know who I am, my name is Calissa, and today we got a super special video. Like, super special. I got PR package. Who am I right now? Who am I? I'm so excited. It's from a pretty big brand. So they came out with like this new skincare, and I'm excited to try it. Look at all the goodies that they sent me. Oh, and yes, everything did come really nice and packaged, but the first day that I got it, I opened it and I unpackaged everything. I haven't used anything, but I just unpacked it all. So, cause I'm happy, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. They sent me 4 different serums. So they sent me, the first serum that they sent me is a 0.5 retinol with rose hip oil, with rose hip seed oil. It is a super strength formula. It's supposed to be conditioning, and it's a fine line serum that helps to encourage an even skin tone and condition the skin. Apply PM only. Okay, cool. So this retinol is only supposed to be applied at night. And then the next product that they gave me was 2% hyaluronic acid, which helps to improve the skin hydration and helps to encourage soft and supple skin. And you can use this in the AM and the PM. So you can use this during the day. Well, you can use this in the morning and at night. And then they sent me 15% niacinamide, which is super strength formula. It's supposed to help blemish refining and a moisturizing serum. It helps reduce the look of blemishes and pores, and it helps to improve the moisture of your skin. And you can use this in the AM and in the PM. And what's nice is that on the bottles it actually also has that information as well. And the next one that I got is 12.5% vitamin C, and it's supposed to help with radiance strengthening. It's a radiance strengthening serum, so it helps to improve skin radiance and encourages a smooth skin texture. You can use this in the nighttime and in the daytime. They gave me their Cica cream moisturizer, which looks like this, and this you can use in the morning and at night. This is supposed to be calming and calming and soothing moisturizing cream. It helps reduce the appearance of skin redness, which I like that. The next thing that they sent me was this Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Longwear Makeup Setting Spray. It's a 16-hour wear. So it reminds me, when I opened it, it kind of came all like damaged-ish, like wet. It smells like something I've smelled before, and I wonder what it is. The next thing that they sent me that is actually really heavy. When I was opening this, I was like, what the heck is this and why is it so heavy? This is the Makeup Revolution Glow Molting Body Glow. So you go glow, girl. This is a face and body liquid illuminator in this kind of champagne-y gold shade. I'm gonna... Ooh, a good pump. Love the pump, it's good. Ooh. Wow, this reminds me of Huda Beauty. Nice, look at that. You see that glow and that shine? The next thing that they sent me was this Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. Actually, this is the... I've only tried 3 products from them. I only tried, I think, 3 products. I've tried their foundation stick, and I ended up getting a shade too light, so I returned it, and then I never ended up repurchasing it again, so I don't know if I like it or not. And then I did try their concealer once. They sent me a concealer, but this one's different than the one that I bought before that they first came out with, and it wasn't my favorite. So I ended up like giving it to someone that liked it, that would have worked better on their skin than mine. And this, I have tried this before, but the banana shade is actually a shade a little too dark for me, for my under eyes, but I might be able to use this like to carve out. But I actually just went to go send my mom to buy 2 of these powders in the shade Lace and Banana Light, because maybe I can mix them. I like more of a pinkier under eye setting powder, so she's coming home with that. For concealers, now I was confused because I was thinking, is this a foundation or is it concealer? But it says concealer on it, so I think they just sent me 4 different shades of the concealer, and they sent it to me in 2 different packaging. I think they have it in small and they have it in big. So I ended up, they sent me the shades C6.5, C8.5, they sent me C5.7 and C8.2. They sent over a lipstick that we were going to be trying on today. I've never tried any of their lipsticks before, so I'm so excited. And this is such a pretty shade. It's called Ruby. And of course, I'm pretty sure you can guess the shade name. First of all, I love that it has the lips on it. It looks so cute. And this is how it looks right here. Sent me a mascara. This one is the Mascara Revolution. The bristle, I do love the bristle, but there's a lot of product on the bristle. So we're gonna see what this works, because this one just looks like a lot of product on the bristle. And then they sent me a liquid liner. Y'all know I like liquid liner. Love that, look how tiny. They sent me 2 eyeshadow palettes. So the first one that they sent me is this, the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic 3.0 palette, which looks like this, very pretty. They gave me the Forever Flawless Allure eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks. Very pretty, looks like that. And then when you open it, it has a mirror and it looks like this. But today I kind of woke up and I like really wanted to do something super like natural and like not very like harsh. So I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna try. Usually when it comes to makeup, like I just go ham. I don't know what it is. I'm just like, it's all or nothing. The first thing that we are going to start off with is Forever Flawless Allure. So far, I am liking the formula. I've been getting to the money. Okay, I'm gonna go in with J'adore. Now I'm gonna go in with Sensation. Okay, I am going to apply some eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and then I'll be right back so we can start on the face. Okay, so we just finished the eyes, and now I'm gonna go in with the skin. I think I'm gonna use the hyaluronic acid serum. So all I know is that hyaluronic acid is really great because it's just like a boost of hydration for the skin. And so I'm just gonna stick with safe and sound. Hey, mommy. Bye. Now I'm gonna go in with the Revolution Cica cream. It has a smell to it. Oh my gosh, I put so much. So it makes sense that this would reduce redness because the cream is green. The 4 colors that they sent me. I forgot to put primer. primer, got to put primer on. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Pore Professional. Okay, I'm gonna put some foundation on. With Tarte Concealer because I haven't used this one in a while. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some concealer and I'm gonna use C8.5. Yes? Yeah? So I'm gonna go in with C6.5. C6.5. Studio Fix Perfecting Stick in the shade NW50. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution setting powder. Now remember they sent me banana, but I ended up having my mom pick me up Banana Light and Lace. Lace looks like the pinkier one and I have Banana Light in the lighter shade, so I'm just gonna go in with Lace. And while I'm opening up this powder, I just have to say that I am very, very, very picky when it comes to concealers, because I have a lot of concealers here that I use just because I have them and they were expensive, but I don't like them. So Lace kind of left a little bit of like a pink, a peachy tinge to my makeup. I'm gonna go in with this palette, which is the Reloaded palette, and I'm gonna take that white shade and put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna put this. I'm not gonna do like the whole red lip. I kind of want to do just like an ombre type thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stick this right in the middle. Now I'm gonna take some bronzer and kind of bronze my face because my face looks like really pale. Kylie Skin Watermelon Lip Balm. Alright, so now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna use the mascara that Makeup Revolution sent me, Avi.
Está bonito, but you could definitely tell that it's cheap foundation.
Yeah, the foundation is not from Makeup Revolution, actually. It is from Tarte.
Maybe it's all the powders that you put on. No, that's good. So it's maybe all the powders that you put on.
Yeah, I don't like the powder. So I do like the mascara is good. Okay, so I just finished my complete makeup. To be honest with you, I'm a little scared to use this because I don't know how abrasive it's gonna come out. The thing I'm gonna try is the Conceal and Define Infinite Makeup. It's a mattifying long-wear makeup setting spray, 16 hour. Oh, that spray just scares the balls out of me. I don't like the spray bottle though, so that sucks. I like the smell though, it smells good. So I don't really know how I feel about the formula of the spray until I've worn my makeup for the rest of the time that I have it on. But I don't like the spray bottle. I don't like the pump, the spray that it comes with the nozzle. I think it's a little bit too abrasive, and the packaging in itself looks very gorgeous on the outside, and I love the rose gold, but the actual nozzle looks a little bit cheap. So yeah, that's weird because the outside looks absolutely gorgeous. I think they should have just not had the ridges here. I think they should have just done like a solid rose gold type thing, and maybe put this a little bit harder, and the nozzle spray put it a little softer because that one is like way too abrasive. I didn't use the body glow just because I don't really like liquid illuminators for my face. It always separates my makeup, so I will try this out in another video when I put it on my body, but I did put it on my hand and it was very smooth. So I like this. Surprisingly enough, I did like the liquid liner, and it was not a learning curve. It kind of jumbled up a little bit because I kept applying over and over and over and over on these sides just to get that perfect tip, but it created the tip easily. It was just me that I kept going in with concealer and then covering it and then having to go back in a little bit, and then I had to fix. It's just a whole mess in my part, but the actual eyeliner is really good and I do recommend it. The mascara I actually do really like. Now I can't tell you if it's gonna smudge, so that is the ultimate kind of test, and in the next video I'll let you know. And also if I keep on using the mascara, you know that I'll really like it. The lipstick, I really liked it. My mom really likes it too. She loves anything kind of like this. I thought the formula was really, really nice, and I just think the lipstick is so cute, and it has a little lip. Now the eyeshadow palettes, I did enjoy them. I think they were really good. I like the shimmery shades more than I like the matte shades, but overall I think that especially for the price that Makeup Revolution sells their products, I think it's very good. Am I going to be reaching for them all the time? I don't know, but I think that the formula is pretty good and it's affordable, which is really great. I didn't like the setting powders on my skin. The concealer is so good. It reminds me of Tarte Shape Tape. I put it on and it did not crease, and it looks super smooth under the eye. And these skincare products, I used the hyaluronic acid like you saw me use, and I really did enjoy it. I think it moisturized my skin really well. Did like the moisture cream. I'm not used to the texture. This was kind of like a gel cream, and I'm not used to the texture of it, but I did enjoy it. I put a little bit too much, so I had to put it like all the way down my neck, so I feel on my neck like real like moisturized. But I did like it, and I think it did take away and dull down a lot of the redness that I had on my skin prior to me putting on my makeup and stuff. So I'm excited to try the vitamin C, because I know vitamin C does a great job of like brightening up the skin and taking away dark spots and all that kind of cool stuff. So that's all I have to tell you. Thank you so much, Makeup Revolution, for sending me these amazing products. Really the only product that wasn't for me was the powders, but everything else I really loved. So yeah, I would say that I definitely approve this brand, and their prices are amazing. You can find them at Ulta or Makeup Revolution, so make sure you follow Makeup Revolution on Instagram. Thank you so much, Makeup Revolution, for sending me these products. I had so much fun creating this look for you, and let me tell you that I look bomb. That is all I have to tell you guys. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell in order to be notified of when I post new videos. Follow me on Instagrams, and I hope my little bambas have a blessed day. Bye. If you tried anything out from Makeup Revolution, let me know down below. Bye.